Yes, hello, I'm Kurt, and we're here with the D60 spinning lathe. Several options. This is what you come standard with the machine, your tooling bar. We have huge bearings for longevity. Cast iron frame. You can see simple start and stop button. We have 2 speeds that we have with double belts, and I'll take this off here so you can see. So you have a high and a low speed. If you want to change to variable, you can put an inverter on for a 10 horsepower motor, and that's your choice on whether you want to that. It comes with the 2 speeds. It comes with the tooling rack. And with the tooling rack, you can use anything to drop pins in, to run your different tools, and you can make a whole variety of tools that you can use in order to run your different projects that you have. We have, this is a 60-inch throat that you have here. Also, you can go up to 60 inches this way. It's all cast iron. You can slide front and back to your project. On your handle here, you can take it in, tighten that up, and then you can crank it front and back in order to tighten your project right up for your spinning. And so it's a very heavy-duty machine. It's a simple machine and really designed for anything from hobby to actually industrial projects, whatever you want. And so we're going to run a little bit here. With whatever tools that you have, you can just stop and put your pins in there, and then you can work your material however you need to work it. So